Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to use DaVinci Resolve for easy color grading. First, navigate to the color page, which is your central hub for all adjustments. We'll begin by using the automatic color match feature to get a solid base. Then, learn to manipulate the primary color wheels to quickly correct exposure and achieve a balanced look. This simple approach will get you started quickly. Once your base is set, let's refine the look. You can apply custom lookup tables, or LUT, to instantly give your footage a cinematic feel. Next, master the Curves panel for precise control over your image's brightness and individual color channels. Finally, use the HSL qualifier to isolate and adjust specific colors, making your reds pop or your blues more vibrant. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And on another note, just like a fresh color grade can transform your video, a fresh scent can transform your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for some creative flair. Enhance your video with subtle vignettes or add film grain for a classic professional touch. To ensure consistency, use the split screen or wipe modes to compare your grades effectively. When you're happy with your masterpiece, head to the Deliver page. Here, you'll render your final video, ensuring all your beautiful color work is perfectly preserved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.